Hello, it's good to have you back with me today, and I would like to say Happy Dolls Festival or Girls, I don't know, celebration? Okay, whatever. That's behind me. That's it is all about how pretty they are. Now, the first idiom for today is in case. For example, oh, we'd better close the window in case it rains, right? That means if it happens that, or in order to be prepared, that's in case. For example, okay, I usually bring my favorite book with me whenever I have a business trip out of town, in case uh, I have an opportunity to read it. So it's not guaranteed, but if it happened, that would be nice, lucky. Yes. Okay. Next idiom is to put together, means to assemble. For example, okay, like these kind of like a doll sets. First, you're gonna have to put together those bones or the sticks or something to make those the ladder, right? Then you're gonna cover with that red cloth. Then we are going to decorate all those dolls, but then sometimes those dolls have many little small things you have to put together. Means assemble them before you display them. Or these days, many people have uh, plastic Christmas trees. So before you decorate those ornaments, you have to uh, put those branches and the stem of the plastic Christmas tree together. Means you have to assemble all those little pieces and bits to make first the tree. Then afterwards, you can hang those ornaments on the branches, right? That's today's Christmas tree, but it didn't used to be like that. I remember we used to go to sort of like a parking lot or the empty space where real live trees, Christmas trees, they are evergreen, right? And they, they have nice scent, almost like a pine kind of a scent. And I don't know, sometimes people spray so that it will give the scent. I don't know, the smell. Anyway, uh, we used to choose the real tree. We would like that, and then they would carry into the sort of like a back of the car or the truck, whatever. And we just carry that big tree into the house. But today, of course, the plastic one that you have to assemble there. No pine scent, no smell. But maybe it's clean. I like assembling or putting them together, but I don't like cleaning them up. So, okay, let's put together today's words. Two of them again. The first one is, okay, unruly. It means hard to rule or control. I would say ruleless, lawless. For example, um, unruly behavior is prohibited at universities. Or when she persisted in acting unruly, the teacher was fired from her job. Of course, she deserves it. Or her unruly actions were a menace to those who were trying to work. of course. The last word is rival. It means a person or a team which or who wants and tries to get the same thing as another, or one who tries to equal or even do better than another. That's rival. In a sport field, rivals are important because they help you improve. But then we have what we call sportsmanship. That means you don't hate each other, but then you try your best to compete against one another. And the trying best is itself showing the respect that you have toward the person. All right? But then sportsmanship, whoever wins. Okay, we'd better, respect and hey, good for you. You won. And I lost. Accept that. Well, one of the American president, you remember, the ex-president, doesn't have any sportsmanship at all. And he lost it, but he doesn't want to. He refuses to accept that. That's not a sportsmanship. I don't like that at all. Anyway, for example, my team didn't like to compete because we always thought our rival team would win. So that, some of us were afraid when we were a teenager. Or, for example, some athletes decide to migrate to another country where, they would have fewer rivals in order to get selected for the Olympic Games. Sometimes many athletes do. Do you know any of them? Well, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. And again, a happy Dolls Festival or Girls Celebration.